You're searching how to buy shares of Quipt Home Medical Corp. Quipt Home Medical Corp supplies home respiratory and sleep care devices and trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker QIPT. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker QIPT to find Quipt Home Medical Corp. Select the listing that matches the NASDAQ QIPT ticker to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see a brief company description and a price chart for QIPT. Double-check the company details and the NASDAQ listing to confirm you have the right share. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may become pending until the market opens, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, your Quipt position will appear in your portfolio. Find the link to eToro in the description if you want to follow the platform example.